This is a real emergency broadcast issued by another Axiom. Please do not panic and stand by for instructions. To all monks of gorillatag, please listen closely for instructions. This is a message only going to people who live in forest, canyons and mountains. There seems to be an anomaly that plays a sound that seems to replicate the music that was made in the 19th. The song is called Daisy. If you hear it, leave the lobby immediately. Now, please listen closely for instructions. If you are in a private lobby and hear the Daisy song playing, leave as soon as possible. Do not let it point at your name on the leaderboard. You can be at extreme risk of a ban if you do not leave. If the anomaly points at you, immediately leave and never rejoin the lobby. If you stay at the lobby, you are at extreme risk of a ban.